Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, karibu sana. If you're family, thank you for sticking by. So today you're going to be making this DIY spring twist. Stay tuned, watch till the end and hope you learn something. I'll be using abuja braid and my skewers. I'm going to partition my hair to the size I want and then roll it to my skewer. I'll start rolling at the middle because I want to roll 2 pieces of braiding hair on this skewer stick. So I'll start from the middle. As you can notice, I'm just rolling and turning to get that perfect tight curl. Look at how beautiful those curls look. Next, I'm going to be using my rubber bands. I've already oiled them to avoid them breaking, and then I'll use them to secure the ends so that they don't roll out. I'll cut off my flyaways using a scissors so that my hair can be neat. As I told you earlier, I use one skewer to make 2 braiding hairs, so I'll use the other half part of the skewer to make another piece. I'll just use the method that I used before to achieve these curls. I'll now hot water the hair and allow it to sit in the water for around 5 minutes, then air dry them for a day. After a day, I'll remove them from the skewer. Just look at how amazing it is. It's so springy. So I'll just carefully remove it from the skewer, then partition it before touching it or rolling it into the thread to make the spring twist. Guys, just watch. I don't know how to explain better, but you can just get the drill from watching. Now I'll attach it to the thread on the chair and then make the twists. And this is the final product, guys. If you really enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Until next time, bye.